First thing you're gonna see us do is remove these plastic rivets that you see around the wheel. This is basically a higher-end BBS replica, but these rivets are still made of plastic, and they're obviously gonna melt once we put the rim in the oven for the powder coating to cure. So there's many videos on this. Basically just use a pair of pliers, twist and pull out. You're gonna see me do it in a second. It goes pretty quick. Twist, pull. Here you have it. You can actually reuse this if you want. There isn't much damage on it. We're gonna be changing these out though for the client for black ones.
Just looking to shine, cooking up lines for your whole brigade. So if you plan to go against my pen foolish, I'm tearing you down while staying chiller than a Zen Buddhist. With no worries, no stress on my mind. I work hard, but I take my time. Cause I'm straight chilling like a villain in his own lair. Straight chilling in my village with no care.
That's it. 2 more to go. As you can see, you're left with a pretty clean hole to be able to install the new ones afterwards.